New profitable products and how to grow your business in 2020. That's a webinar I want to invite you to. It's a webinar by AMZ Scout and Top Header. I'll be presenting on behalf of AMZ Scout, so you're going to see me live there, hopefully providing great value to you. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what's included in the webinar, how you benefit from this webinar, and also I'm going to explain you how to get to the webinar. So to get to the webinar, it's quite easy. It's going to be a link in the description of this video. Click on the link, it's going to get you to this landing page and you can register there, see everything. But I want to show you exactly what's included so you can understand if it's for you or not. So the webinar is going to start in 18 hours, 80 minutes and 40 seconds, 39 seconds, Thursday, April 23rd, 2020, 7 p.m. EST. So come live. Hopefully there's going to be a replay. If there is going to be a replay, it's going to be included in the description of this video, so you can go and watch the replay. But come to the live, it's more fun, and I'll be really grateful if you come to support me also. That's going to be really cool, and we're going to have some fun and obviously value. So what's going to be included? So first, you're going to have on the page, watch the teaser. He's Eric on the left from Top Header. Top Header is a marketplace where we can also sell products. It's a pretty cool marketplace. I don't sell there yet, maybe one day, but Eric's going to be presenting his product there. Essentially, well, Top Header. And here's me. I'm going to be presenting different things on this webinar. I'm going to soon show you a sneak peek because you're my audience here on YouTube, so I want you to see some stuff. And yes, you can see my teaser here. Play it. I'm going to tell you some things there. And so let's read what's going on. With major marketplaces trying to limit orders, people stuck at homes and the economy slowing down. So some of the old tricks to find good products aren't working anymore. This is why AMZ Scout experts and e-commerce analytics will bring you 10 fantastic upcoming niches we found trending online. Our partners at Top Header, unique discovery marketplace, are going to share with you the scoop of inside info. Best niches to start selling delivered by people who have full access to the sales data. Join to get awesome products to launch. So there's going to be a lot about product research and profitable products and all the mindset of finding products. So let me give you more explanations here. By the way, you can input your email, your name, click reserve your seat. Participation is free, as you can see. And yeah, and there's the form is subject to our privacy policy, so you can read the privacy policy there. After the workshop, you will get rising e-commerce niches, trends and products from AMZ Scout Analytics and Top Header Inside Info. 2. Learn about the alternative marketplace that may move products faster. Find out how to prevent losing money on products that are doomed to fail. Learn how to sell with no keyword optimization. Find out how to get profitable products based on accurate tools and hard data. So these are kind of things you will learn, and in a bit I'm going to show you exactly what I'm presenting. And again, you can sign up here. Speakers, we have AMZ Scout, and I'll be kind of representing AMZ Scout. AMZ Scout is a top 3 tool for product research among Amazon sellers worldwide with 500,000 users. AMZ Scout tools help find profitable products to sell online based on accurate data and can even help with sourcing and promoting the products. Top Header. Top Header is home to 30+ million shoppers who enjoy discovering deals in the face-based auction model. People use Top Header much like social media, scrolling through what's up for sale in their feed and bidding on the auctions that spark their interest. Pretty cool. You can watch the website. It's pretty interesting. I never used it, but you know, when I discovered that I'm going to be speaking with Eric from Top Header, obviously I went to see what Top Header is. Interesting model. So for e-commerce sellers, Top Header is a great way to move volume fast. Every auction receives thousands of impressions. Get exclusive offers from both companies on the webinar for attendees only. So attend. And yeah, then you can register here. Here's some more things before I show you a bit of a sneak peek. We help more than 250,000 users who have already chosen us. That's AMZ Scout say. Good information, no fancy sports, cars, gimmicks, just straight to the point. Well, you know my information, how I present stuff, so that's pretty much how I go. I really advise everyone who wants to sell on the Amazon platform. It saves time and helps you choose the products by giving information you need. Well, here are some reviews, and of course I gotta say that stuff that we are supposed to say, which kind of makes sense. The success of a product you launch depends on many factors. The market is very dynamic, so the parameters of any stated niches may change significantly. That's why we don't guarantee any profits or other results. Niches present on the event are provided for informational purpose only. This is not business advice. Yes, that's true. You gotta be checking things yourself. Of course, I will do my best to provide with solid, clear info to you. And there is a sneak peek from my... So it's a Canva. This is how I'm going to be presenting to you. So here's what I promised to deliver. This is from the inside. 15 less no ways to find profitable products to sell online, Amazon and beyond. How to validate the 15 ways. Just for a second, I'm going to stop this. 15, come on, that's pretty many. You don't like one, you go with 2, 3, a lot. So come, I'm going to give you good information, really. And how to validate the products you'll find so you can launch profitable stuff and reach your financial life goals. I'm going to show you how to validate, how to understand what's going on there. Like, there's so many niches. People are very overwhelmed by product research. Like, you know that, right? When you're looking for products, you're like, what do I do? This, that. So I'm going to be helping you with this. And 3, which types of products or product criteria to avoid when looking for products so you won't have to lose money like I did. And of course, I'm going to show you what to avoid, what kind of criteria, what products are not that good. And again, based on experience and losing money, I don't want you to lose money. So, and some other stuff here, like I don't want to, some of my story here, but, come to the webinar. I promise to show everything to you. And, if you've been with me for a while, I would really appreciate your support. If you're going to type stuff in the chat just to get stuff moving, to give me even a hi, and that's going to be a lot for me. Come, I promise, good information. Link is going to be in the description to join the webinar. And my promise to you is great webinar. So come, link in the description, click now, join, and see you there. Bye.